Hello guys, this is how to sign up to the Threads app. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So if you're using an Android, you're going to go ahead and download the app on Play Store. And if you're using an iPhone, then you're going to go into the Apple Store. So I'm going to go into the Play Store and I'm going to search for the Threads app. Type in Threads in the search, then search for it. It's that one right there. Click on it. So now I'm looking for the developer details. I can see there it says Instagram. Just for a double check, I'm going to look at the developer contact. It's email support@instagram.com. Now I am 100% sure that it is the right app that I am looking for. So I'll go ahead and install it. Click on install. Wait for that to install. Then once it has installed, you're going to go ahead and open it up. So for Threads, you need to have an Instagram account. So right there, I can log in with my Instagram account, or I can switch accounts and I can log in with any other Instagram account. Let's just wait for that to load in. Getting the setup, and I can import my information from my Instagram. Click on import just to make the whole setup a bit easier. Click on continue. Once you're happy that all the information is right, then you have the privacy settings. So you can make it a public profile or you can have it as a private profile. So whichever one you're comfortable with, and then you will click on continue. And then you can follow the accounts that you follow on Instagram. So we're going to click next. Once we've read that, we're going to join Threads. And that's it. You have now signed up to the new Threads app. So I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.